Hello children, welcome to the SST class. Children, now we will read about chapter 5, that is type of houses. Here in this chapter we will discuss about different types of houses. The house we live in is our home. We feel safe and comfortable in our house. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain and wind. Okay? It keeps us safe from animals and thieves. It also keeps away dirt, dust and insects. Okay. Then comes to types of houses. Children, there are mainly two types of houses are there. Permanent and temporary houses. First we discuss about permanent houses. Permanent houses cannot be moved from one place to another. They can be pakka houses or kacha houses. Which are pakka houses? In big cities and towns, houses are made of bricks, cement, sand and steel. These houses are very strong. They are called pakka houses. Now you know which are pakka houses. Let us look at some kinds of pakka houses. Meher lives in a bungalow. A bungalow is an independent house. Here you see, this is bungalow. Nidhi lives in a flat. Flats are houses built one on top of another. There are several flats in a building. Here you see so many buildings are there. These are known as flats. Then kacha houses. Kacha houses are made of wood, stone, mud and straw. They are not very strong. Shiva lives in a hut. A hut is a kacha house. Some people in villages live in huts. Roofs of houses. Different houses have different types of roofs. In plains where it is warm and dry, houses have flat roofs like this. In hilly areas or places where it rains a lot, houses have sloping roofs like this. The rainwater does not collect on the roofs. It slides off the roof easily. Okay. Then temporary houses. These are all permanent houses. This bungalow, flat, hut. Okay. Now we will discuss about temporary houses. Some people live at one place for a very short time. They build houses that can be moved from one place to another. Such houses are called temporary houses. Let us look at some such houses. First one is caravans. Here are some gypsies. Do you know who they are? They are members of a tribe of people who have no permanent homes. They live in houses on wheels called caravans. Then tent. Have you seen a tent? A tent is a house made of thick cloth. Tents can be folded and carried from one place to another. They are easy to put up. Do you know who make tents to live in? Mountaineers and soldiers make tents to live in. Okay. Then houseboat. This is houseboat. It is a house that floats on water. You can see houseboats in Kashmir. When tourists come to visit Kashmir, they stay in houseboats. So, plan a visit to Kashmir and enjoy their stay in a houseboat. A house can be big or small. No matter how it is, we should keep it neat and clean. We should grow some plants around our houses. This keeps the air fresh and clean. So children, understood? Houses types. Two types of houses are there, permanent and temporary. Permanent houses are pakka houses like bungalow, flat, and kacha houses like hut. And different houses have different types of roof according to the different places. Then temporary houses. Temporary houses are caravans, tents, houseboats. Okay children. Again you read this chapter. Okay. Then you practice these words. Okay. These words you practice in your copy. Thank you.